Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can dropship products from Temu to Shopify. So basically here on Temu, we don't have any options to dropship products to your Shopify store. So what we need to do here is by using AutoDS automation tool. So we're going to website which is the autods.com. So type right here on the URL box, and then you'll be taken into the AutoDS website. So as you can see here, start and grow your dropshipping business with AutoDS. So here it says that AutoDS all-in-one dropshipping solution helps you automate your dropshipping journey, find top dropshipping products, and explore private suppliers. So if you don't have an account yet, you just need to sign up with your Google account. Now, once you signed up, you will now be taken into your main dashboard. So for example here, click on go to my account. Now, the very first step here that you can do when you are taken into this page is by connecting your Shopify store to your AutoDS account. So to do that, you will find an option at the top left hand corner which says add store. So you just have to connect your Shopify store, and it will basically go to Shopify App Store just like this, and you just have to install the AutoDS dropshipping tool to your Shopify. So once you've added, you will now directly go to your main dashboard. So as you can see, and also it will prompt you to add the AutoDS extension. So once done, you just need to go here and click on add products, and you'll find an option single product, multiple products, handpicked products, and AutoDS Finder. We're going to click on single product, and then a message box right here. So you just have to enter the URL link in the box. So go back to Temu, and we just need to find a product here that you want to sell to your Shopify store. So for example, this product right here. So this one is actually one piece car wash with Shemel microfiber wash sponge scratch free. Alright, so if you want this product, just copy the link at the top and then go to AutoDS and paste it right here. So usually it will change automatically the supplier source into Temu, but unfortunately, Temu does not support the AutoDS anymore. So what we're going to do here to add that product to your AutoDS. So in this case, we're going to use the AliExpress as your supplier source. Now to find that product from Temu, basically you just have to add a new tab, go to Chrome Web Store, and then from here, we just need to add a AliExpress search by image application. Okay, so go to search box and type search AliExpress, and then you'll find this icon. So basically, you just have to add this to your Chrome extension. So AliExpress search by image. So as you can see at the top right, you will find the AliExpress icon. Now, what you're going to do here, just need to right click on the image and then click on AliExpress search by image. And it will automatically open up your Google Lens. So as you can see the result right here, including the AliExpress e-commerce store. So we're going to use the AliExpress as your supplier. So we're going to click on this page, and then you'll be taken into this page. As you can see, the same product from Temu. So right here. So if you're going back to Temu, is actually $1.08, but here on AliExpress it's $10 every 2 packs. So it is usually $5 per piece. So we're going to copy the link right there at the top and go to AutoDS and paste that right here. Now the supplier source will automatically change into AliExpress. And then you have two options here if you want to publish to store. Basically, if you want it to go live in your store and ready to be sold, or click on edit now button to make necessary adjustments. So I'm going to click on edit now quick. And then you'll be taken into this page, edit new draft. So basically you can just edit the product details, especially the title. So you can change the title depending on your preference. So here in this case, I'm going to delete some of the words right here, just like that. Or you can basically use an AI to generate a product title. You can choose a tone if you want to sound more like professional, or the temperature. Now you can also add some tags, and also you can change the shipping methods and other product details right here. Now once you've done, you can just click on the save button to the top right to basically save this to your draft, or you can just click on save and import to basically import this product to your Shopify store and add it to Shopify store. So once you click on save and import, so here for example, as you can see, it has been updated and started to import. So if we're going to click on view details right there at the top, you'll find its status here. It says in progress. So we're going to wait for a few seconds. And once it's done, as you can see, products have been imported to your store. So we're going back to Shopify store and refresh this page and see if that product is now added to your list. So there you have it. We have just added this product from Temu. So using the AutoDS, well, it's very simple to add products from Temu to your Shopify store using also the AliExpress. So as I've said, Temu doesn't support the AutoDS, so we're going to use the AliExpress as your supplier. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.